guys, Arjita here. Welcome to this card video. Today I'm going to use this beautiful green garland Meraki shimmer hot foil plate along with the damask motifs, and these are layering stencils. This is so beautiful and I'm going to use this one. It is a huge stencil creating a big bunch of florals, and you can use it in all sorts of your projects. You can do use this on your wall art. You can use this for your fabric projects, but today I'm going to use it for my card. So there are 4 layers to this, and I'm going to use some Gina K Designs inks. These are perfect for the layering effect, and I'm going to start with the lightest. I'm using a blender brush to do the inking, and this really came up very quick. So it has these beautiful big flowers, 3 of them, and then some lovely foliage around it. There is a coordinating die as well for this, and you can just cut out this entire bunch using that and paste it wherever you wish to. So I'm going to use one of the blending brushes and keep wiping it in between, and then I'm going to add all these 3 layers on top of each other from lightest to the darkest. So I'll stop speaking here. You can see what I do and enjoy this process. This is very quick, doesn't need any coloring skills whatsoever, and it's just blend and you have a lovely artwork right in front of you. So enjoy this. So the artwork is almost done, and I really had a lovely time creating this. I'm just going to pop this die cut out and look at this beautiful floral which you created just in few minutes, and this is huge. So now I'm going to trim out few of these leaves and detach them from this main cluster, because I wanted to create my own pattern on my card. But you can totally arrange this right away. It is beautifully arranged as it is. So here you can see that I'm going to use the green garland hot foil plate with which I created a lovely background. I've used the pearl heat foil on a dark olive green colored cardstock, and I am going to raise few of these elements which I've cut out using double-sided foam tape and few with wet glue. I'm also going to attach these tiny flowers as per my liking, and all this card needs is a beautiful sentiment and some splatters. So I'm using the distress ink in a bright pink color and adding it. I'm also going to use some white gesso to add the splatters, because that really adds a lot of interest in these floral cards. So I'm going to do that, and then use one of these sentiments. This is also a hot foil plate by Crafty Meraki, and I have a total obsession for this particular set. I have so many of them ready to use, and I just stick them on literally all my projects. So with this we come to the end of the card, and I hope you liked it. If you wish to use these products, I will leave the link for all the products in my description box, and these products which I've used on this card are a part of the June 2023 Crafty Meraki release, and there are some absolutely wonderful brand new products waiting for you. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope to see you very soon. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.